All right, Kolkata doctors all set to resume protest in the city tomorrow. Unhappy with the probe and the way proceedings have happened, doctors have decided to get on protest yet again. Doctors say slow proceedings of the RG car probe is what's led us to come back on the streets to protest. They have decided and fixed tomorrow is the day they will be out on the streets yet again to carry on with their protests. Doctors citing Sagar Datta Hospital assault. In fact, saying that we're feeling unsafe despite assurances. Nurses being thrashed by patients' skin in Sagar Hospital, Bengal, which has led to the doctors now yet again agitated, wanting to come out on the streets and protest. That's the visual there that you see right in the center of our screens there in Sagar Hospital, where a doctor was thrashed by parents' family. And this assault has yet again led for the doctors now in Kolkata specifically, also in light of the RG car probe being dragged, according to them, saying it's going very slow. And since there was yet another assault that happened at the Sagar Datta Hospital, doctors have now decided to come out on the streets yet again in protest.
অভয়ার বিচার সুনিশ্চিত করতে দোষীদের দ্রুত গ্রেফতার ও দৃষ্টান্তমূলক শাস্তির দাবিতে এবং সর্বোপরি এমন ঘটনার পুনরাবৃত্তি রুখতে স্বাস্থ্যক্ষেত্র সহ সমাজের সর্বস্তরে ভয়ের রাজনীতিকে নির্মূল করতে আমরা আগামী 2 তারিখ মহালয়ার দিন এক মহা মিছিল ও মহা সমাবেশের ডাক দিচ্ছি।
Let me cut across to Ritik Mandal joining us live for more on that. Ritik, as much as the West Bengal government did to literally allay fears of the doctors, trying to convince them that they're in safe hands at safe spaces, we still see assaults being reported in Kolkata. In the latest, the Sagar Datta Hospital seems to have, the assault there has really triggered the doctors yet again for them to come out on the streets tomorrow in protest. Do elaborate for us, what have these protesting doctors said?
Well, definitely, Nabila, a major breakthrough has happened with regard to this Archika horror case when days after the alleged assault on doctors at a government-run Sagar Datta Medical College in hospital, which located in Kamarhati in North Chobbish Pargona district. Junior doctors across the state, they have once again decided to resume cease work until their demand get fulfilled. Remember, it's been over 1 month past since the horrific and chilling murder and rape of a junior doctor happened at Archikar Medical College and Hospital. The matter is with the Central Probing Agency. What we do understand that junior doctor, they are unhappy with regards to the investigating procedures of this matter, and they said that there are a number of assurances given by the government to reassure the security arrangements for the junior doctor and medics across all state-run hospitals, but there are very few steps has been fulfilled, and government are inadequate to give sufficient fearless ambience or working culture to the junior doctors, or be it for the doctors, nurses or medics across all state-run hospitals, which possibly that is the fallout and the incidents of rerun of such incidents what happened in Sagar Datta Medical College Hospital and in other state-run hospitals or primary health centers is the fallout of such breach of securities that had been provided or assured by the government, which is why they have once again decided to go for a cease work, a complete cease work. Remember, as we put before our viewers, that some of the doctors also said they are organizing a mass rally tomorrow in Kolkata demanding justice. Once again, they appeal to the citizen to join in this mass protest, which will initiate from College Square to Dharamtala at the epicenter of the city. Remember, it is festive season, but what we do understand once again, this it's a pressure mounting tactic, and government and the doctors deciding to resume cease work, it will mount more pressure on the government as well. But we are yet to get a reaction from the West Bengal government with regard to this matter. Back to you.
Okay, so West Bengal government is yet to respond, but if you could give us a little more about the Sagar Datta Hospital assault, what really happened that's triggered these doctors? We see that video playing out on our screens right in the center there. Give us more details about that incident that's triggered doctors to come out on the streets yet again.
Well, Nabila, it's a matter of Thursday evening. We were told that when a patient in a critical condition were brought to Sagar Datta Medical College's hospital, which is located in Kamarhati, which is not far from Arjikar Medical College Hospital. It's situated in North Chobbish Pargana. It is one of the top ranked, state-run hospital in that particular district. So that a lady was brought there with a critical illness, but the patient, the near relatives of that lady alleged that there were no doctors, no nursing staff, to treat that lady, and she succumbed to her illness hours after she was rushed to the hospital. And soon after this thing, doctors alleged that unruly mobs, particularly the near relatives of the patient, they went up to the top, fourth floor of the hospital, and they also assaulted several, on-duty nursing staffs and doctors. They had thrashed in, they heckled them, and very soon the police were rushed to the spot, but it did not let down the anger among the doctors, because remember that it's been 1 month past, but the anger among the junior doctors is still high with regards to this Arjikar horror case, and which is why initially doctors of Sagar Datta Medical College and Hospital, they went for a cease work, an indefinite cease work, and on that very night, the body represent the Junior Doctor Association here in West Bengal. They also decided to go for a cease work after the Supreme Court hearing, and they said yesterday's hearing at the Supreme Court, and the way the probing agency and the state government, put several things with regard to the investigation of the, Abhaya's killing before the court. They are quite unhappy, which is why seeing the, negligence of the government's doctor security or medic security at government-run hospital, they have once again decided to resume this cease work to show solidarity to the protesting doctors at Sagar Datta Medical College and Hospital. Remember, Nabila, this is not the only case which has surfaced after the Arjikar horror case, where doctors being subjected to crime. There are several other hospitals, one in Birbhum's Rampurhat. There also an incident happened a couple of days back where doctors and medics were also targeted by unruly people. So, which is why there are several assurances were given, and doctors said initially government assured them to install several and n numbers of an adequate number of CCTV cameras at least, or all government run hospitals, that which has not been made as of now, which is why they have decided to go for an indefinite strike at Arjikar Medical College Hospital and all other government run hospitals, which could lead to a major disruption of health system once again at the state ahead of this festive season. Back to you, Nabila.
Ritik, thanks very much for joining us with those details. We're of course going to continue tracking the doctors' protest as they intend to come out on the streets yet again tomorrow. Thanks very much.